How to find your listening history on SoundCloud. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your SoundCloud application and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll have different options down below on your navigation bar like your home screen, your feed, search, and then your library. Now, if you land on your profile page on your library, you just want to go back, and then here right below the recently paid, you'll find the listening history. And if you have multiple songs here, you can tap on the see all button to simply go ahead and see all of the songs that you have listened on your SoundCloud account. That is pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically find your listening history and recently played songs on SoundCloud. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.